Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. Today we will discuss an important topic, obesity or overweight. So it's a worldwide problem. So let's see how to calculate your ideal weight. So you need two parameters. One is your height in centimeter and weight in kilogram. So if you take your height in centimeter and minus 100, you should get weight in kilogram. For example, if you are 165 centimeter, you minus 100, your weight should be around 65 kg. Anything more than 65 kg is overweight, and if it is much more than 65, then we classify obesity. The better way of doing it is BMI, is a body mass index. In this, we get weight in kilogram and height in meter. So weight by height in meter squared is BMI. Anything between 18.5 to 25 is normal BMI. More than 25 is called overweight. Anything more than 30 is obesity, and we grade it grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. So knowing your weight, you have to decide whether there is any health risk to you or not. The health risks are, usually as the age advances, there is a risk of heart problem, high blood pressure, cholesterol problem. But all these things happens at younger age if you are obese. And also having extra weight increases your chance of having diabetes at younger age. Because obesity, the fat cells produce resistance to insulin. So insulin is not able to function properly in the body. That increases the blood sugar. Coming to your leg problem. Common problems like arthritis, knee pain, varicose vein and blood clot formation in the leg are common in obese patients. Some breathing problem can happen. Commonest is snoring. And also snoring can be very dangerous in some time. Example, sleep apnea, where they snore and then they stop breathing for few seconds and then they snore again. During this time, the oxygen level in the body is not getting maintained. So in long term, it can put more pressure to your lungs and your heart also. And also it's when you have excess weight in your chest wall, the breathing is not that good. So it's called restrictive lung disease. So these are the common breathing problems that can happen in obese patients. The next common problem is fatty liver. This is called non-alcoholic fatty liver. Without taking alcohol, the liver gets bigger in size and gradually it gets destroyed and shrink. That causes fatty liver. In long term, it can affect your body, and also it can be a risk factor for liver cancer. There are multiple studies have shown that increased weight is related to cancer problem. Commonest cancer is colon cancer, that is a bowel cancer, breast cancer, pancreas cancer, which is the organ produces the insulin, and kidney cancer. So overweight is very well related to the cancer problem. Coming to the middle-aged women or men, it reduces the chance of fertility. Because overweight causes hormone imbalance. Hormone imbalance leads to irregular periods, polycystic ovary, that increases the weight further. So infertility is common in overweight people. And also it reduces the confidence level, self-esteem, especially in college kids and also school kids. It increases the bullying risk, and they don't get involved in sports activity or social event. That causes depression, and that causes wrong eating habit, again increases the weight. So this is the emotional aspect of weight. Common problem like acidity problem, reflux problem, all can be related to obesity. So please know how to calculate your ideal weight and know the risk involved with high weight. Please take caution. Even your weight is couple of kilos higher than normal weight, you just start your physical activity and concentrate on your diet to reduce your weight. During the next videos, we will discuss what are the reasons for obesity and how you can reduce your weight and maintain your weight. Thank you for watching. Please visit NRG Healthcare, subscribe and share. Thank you.